Gen II Ranein 18kW Tankless Water Heater Review. The Gen II Ranein 18kW 240-volt Tankless Electric Water Heater is built to deliver instant, endless hot water for the whole house with efficiency and reliability. Installation requirements. This unit requires two dedicated 240-volt circuits, each with a 40-amp double-pole breaker and 8 WG cables. The compact dimensions of 13.8 by 3.1 by 18.7 inches and 3/4-inch NPT water connections make installation straightforward while saving space compared to traditional tanks. Performance and efficiency. With 99% thermal efficiency and a flow rate of up to 4.3 gallons per minute, this heater easily supports 2 to 3 household water points at once. Showers, sinks, and appliances can run simultaneously without waiting for preheating. It cuts heating costs by up to 60%, consuming energy only when water is flowing. Control and user experience. The LED temperature display and tactile control knob allow adjustments from 86 degrees F to 131 degrees F in 1 degree F increments. Once set, the system maintains consistent output, ensuring stable water temperature every time. Rapid heating technology minimizes wait time, giving you hot water on demand. Safety and certification. CSA certified for both U.S. and Canadian standards, the unit includes leakage protection, overheat safeguards, and dry fire prevention. Stainless steel heating elements resist scale buildup, while the damp-proof design ensures durability. Each unit undergoes strict testing for maximum safety. Warranty and returns. The Gen II Ranein comes with manufacturer warranty support, and if purchased through Amazon, you're covered by their 30-day voluntary return guarantee for added peace of mind. The Gen II Ranein 18kW Electric Tankless Water Heater combines compact design, powerful performance, and advanced safety features to deliver endless hot water while saving energy and space. Check the product link in the description and pinned comment to learn more or purchase today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more professional product reviews.